Nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya Wiki wa Masavu Kukonya Utumii wa Mbesa Inanduni Mwana sia Kaundi CPIC Yienda Muvia wa Kuukitana na Ulusani Eacc Ukunikile Maovisa Kaundi ya Kitui Ivindani ya ulawa Ngavana Muwandu charuti Kaluki Ngilu Kukonya ungami mudhuku wa kinandu cha empowerment iwetaka na tatumikie na itakiao cha kutuvandu na makundi mana noka na kuiendesia ki uteti Benjamin Mwake na Mauvo.
Zama ya CPIC yune kulia Muvia wa Eacc ulikilile kati na kusukuma aungami ma Kitui Empowerment Fund na muno otongwe wa Ngavana tene charity Kaluki Ngilu alama na ikisi maana ma ikundi mamilioni ma Mbesa na itina mama ingianisi na utongo imwe wa Kaundi nikana ikaive mikovo madhiala oyu maviki shilingi million yana imwana miongo 5 na mwanza.
In fact, even some of these groups, they could be fictitious groups. And I understand. I know, Governor, you were not there when this money was given. This money probably was used to campaign against you.
We will consider winding up this particular fund so that we just don't keep it in operation without anything actually happening.
We cannot also wish away 157 million public funds, just wishing them it away like that. 157 million is like CDF, actually more than CDF of a whole year during our time.
These funds are just being used for politics, and they are given towards just like a year or even 6 months to the election, just around that period. Even this fund, when you analyze, you see the political signal in it. They were given up to the village level.
Gavana wa Kaundi ya Kitui Julius Makaumalombe havi kitembo wa Nzama kuyo mundi no alumililia vevi na kutunga Mbesa kinanduni cha Kaundi na Yienda kukunza kinanduki nondoki na vaita kikuete kwa Kaundi ate ongalama ndei.
If it is very hostile, these people are not able to repay. Basically is to wind this thing up and then write off and move on. Otherwise, you can put more resources, but they'll take, but they'll not repay.
If sensitization was done and the groups were educated on their loan repayment, why is it now a challenge?
If we are not careful, we'll end up spending more money trying to recover than we will recover. For example, the 2 million we have been able to recover, we spend about 1.3 million Kenya shillings. And that could be on the lower side if you factor in other costs.
And given that the way they are saying that political figures have gone around telling people that the loan was for free and it was not to be returned. I'm telling you, Chair, I'm not in Kitui, but this is true because right now the DP and some members are going around fundraising for women groups and they are giving them money for free. So you expect these people to come and pay? I don't think they'll be able.
Kuyana na maseneta Nzama kana ni sawa kinanduki kiungamwe ate omoko ma Silikali ni mailo tambukia ambililia maki na nduki no na lamethitwe maisi ya mikovo veitungwa.
We would have wanted evidence to show maybe the former governor telling them not to repay the money, because we can get the former governor to sit here and say, look, you told these groups not to pay this money, so you can account for these public funds. Any person who has made political statements so that public funds are lost can be held accountable at any one time.
What we are saying is what those who go on the ground are being told by the people who borrow this money. I don't think it's made up. But if you want us to go and detain people and bring here, that can be done.
I think, Bwana Patrick, you are here. Now, we will send this matter to you to investigate and start the process, all the other processes that are necessary. Recovery, prosecution, all the people who are involved, because we cannot just leave 157 billion to go like that. And honorable members, you
kuma vamos Ilovia dilipoti ya vilingo wa Maovonye nito wa Benjamin Mwakam.